welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening these L.O.L Surprise Interactive Live Surprise. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are like my Gigi fingerling pets, but these are L.O.L Surprise pets. And this is how the box looks like. And you could get Royal Kitty, which she says, feed me. And you could also get Hoop's dog, which she says, pet me. And we could also get Bunny Hun, and she says, talk to me. And you could also get Fuzzy Fan, and she says, I really blush. And that's the same thing with this box. And make sure you guys see my fingerling video on my other video. And make sure you give a big thumbs up for that one. And also, there are three mystery accessories. See? And there are more than 60 sounds. And it says, I respond to motions, sound, or touch. It says right there. And what you also could do to them is you could talk to them, you could pet them, feed them, rock them to sleep, and turn them upside down. And they're interactive. So turn me upside down, rock me to sleep, pet me, interactive. That's the same thing with this box. So let's go ahead and open them! Okay. Let's open it from here. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my God! You're going to have to spin them, I think. Oh no, I don't. Oh yeah, you have to spin them. Spin, spin. Oh my God! We got Royal Kitty! Let's see her surprises. And then we'll open her up. Oh my God! Ooh, aw. I don't know what this is, but I think it's like a little shrimp. It looks like a shrimp, but it has a little line. Oh my God! Ooh, I think this is like her sippy cup or something. Just so cute. Ooh. Oh my God! Also these L.O.L Surprise Interactive Live Pets come with a pacifier! How cute is that? Let's open her up! Whoa! Whoa. I accidentally. Oh my God, oh my God. Let's turn her on. Okay, let's pet them because that's what it said, that you could pet them. Aww. So you could also turn them upside down. Nothing. Oh my God! Okay, let's pet them. Aww. And she also has a little cute heart here. Isn't that so cute? So now let's put your pacifier. It doesn't go in. Well, it just stays like that. So we are gonna try to feed her. Ooh, she eats. She drinks. So now I think this is a shrimp. You just put this inside her mouth. Let's give her drink. You love the drink? I love you. Okay. I love you so much. Oh, you want some more? Okay, let's give her more of her drink. Give me your pacifier. Let's give you some food. She likes it. Isn't she so cute? So this is Royal Kitty, and what she comes with is like a little piece of bread and a pacifier. And also, it looks like she comes with some tea. Let's eat. Her cheeks also glow, as you guys just saw. And as you guys also saw as well, her eyes blinked. And her ears move. And she comes with an adorable, cute little black bow. And also, this is a microphone which you could tell her anything you want, and then sometimes she'll respond. And as you can see right now, you guys, her tail just moves when... See, it just moved. Isn't that so cute? And I also love her heart. Let's give her drink. Let's give her pacifier now. Aww. And also, she has a dark pink shoe, and the other side is a light pink shoe. So now, let's shake her. Nothing's happening. She's like, yeah, help me somebody. You're so funny. Now, let's ask her something nice. And so right here, that's where her microphone is at, where you could tell her, and sometimes she could respond to you back. I love you so much. I think she's saying I love you too. And also, you could pet their head. Isn't she so cute? And also, you could flip them upside down. I think she's saying I love to be upside down. Let's pet finger because her hands are right here, and her legs don't come like she's sitting down though. So this is Royal Kitty. Now let's move on to our next one and let's see who we get. I cannot wait. Might take a little while. I wonder who we get. What? Oh my God! We got a double! Which are gonna be twins though. I love you, sister. And there is going to be the same packages. Oh my God. And you guys, did you know something about this? Watch. You could also take out this, which you could put it as a flyer to collect all of these, or you could put them as a poster. So that is Royal Kitty right there. You can see all of them: Fuzzy Fan, Bunny Hun, Hoops Dog, and Royal Kitty. Isn't that cool? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and give a big thumbs up. And you guys should stay tuned for my next video of the